Hi everyone, our open house as promised, 529 Windmark Way. We're in phase one of Windmark Beach, and if you can't see, we're having a glorious day out here. We're just inviting everybody to come out and see us because it is absolutely breezy, gorgeous, and beautiful out here on the bay, which we have bayfront views from this house, so I can't wait to show you. Come with me. As you are walking up, we're at the end of the cul-de-sac, and so it's a great location. You can see that this is a extremely well manicured house. They have all of the details that feel modern and impressive, but yet comfortable and inviting. We've got the large stones that we're walking up on. They've got the aluminum railing, stainless steel railing, so that's maintenance free for all of you that don't know. It makes it nice and easy to take care of, and it looks really good. We've got gas lanterns. My phone is ringing. All right, so we've got folks inside. So we're going to tell you a little bit more about the outside. I want you to see the view, just even from the decks here. Look at that. This is conservation area for Windmark, which is absolutely stunning, full of wildlife, really serene. So, you know, there's not very many lots that are on this side of the road, so you get all of this nice conservation area. And look at this. This is just off to the side. You get a view right through there where no one's going to build, so you have a little bit of a view even from this upper level as I'm entering, and you can see everything's well landscaped and everything's tucked away, all of your air conditioning compressors and all of those things. I'm going to show you downstairs. They have a whole outdoor entertaining space, lots of storage down there, climate controlled storage down there, so there's a lot of things to talk about. As you can see, we've got the wood inlaid ceilings. This is all hardy plank cement siding, metal roof, hurricane glass. I'm 5'3", so you can see the size of these doors. So we've got big, tall doors, and when I walk in, you're going to walk right into the view. There's still people in there. They don't want to be on the internet, so come on in. Let's take a look. Look at this gorgeous entrance. I want you to notice the light fixtures in this house because they're absolutely beautiful. They have the detailed lighting. Just like I told you, you're going to walk right in and you're going to see that they have a full 3-stop elevator that goes all the way from the bottom to the top. Look how beautiful this is. It's even trimmed out. So you can pull in the garage, drop your groceries off underneath, and then bring them right into the kitchen. But look at this, it's gorgeous. We've got the soapstone countertops in here that are just seamless, a beautiful apron front sink, 6-burner cooktop, pot filler, a custom hood. I've got to show you these pantries. Well, first we've got storage right in here with all of the plugs so you can just hide everything away. We've got the double door refrigerator, but this is the thing that you just don't want to miss. I got to get the lights on in here, or not. Anyway, there it is. That's a little fan. That's so cool. Anyway, we've got wine storage, we've got all of appliance storage, we've got chillers for all of your wine or alcohol or just any kind of beverages that you want, and they've got this beautiful big pocket door here. Let me show you this because this is just tucks away when you're entertaining. So when you've got people at the bar, everything, all the things tuck away, and it's nice and streamlined and beautiful. But really, the focus is going to be on this view. We've got a big dining room, living room, but come out here. Again, a continuation of the wood-laid ceilings, but look at this view. This is your view. This is not going away. You've got your own boardwalk right down to the beachfront. You can walk the beach all up and down the beach. This beach connects all the way down to St. Joe Beach and Mexico Beach. These are the views. The water is nice and clear here. It is gorgeous for paddle boarding. I mean, you know, you can just walk right out there, catch a fish, bring them home, put them on the grill. So I just think when you can do that, it doesn't get any better than that. And this is the breeze every day. You've got the big, tall sliding glass doors. They all tuck away, so it just takes in the view everywhere you look downstairs. We've got the gas fireplace in here. We've got the hidden TV. You've got some nice accent beams up above. I don't know if we caught those. And then a lot of people like to have a downstairs master, and that's just what we have here. So let's take a look at that. Before we do, we've got a half bath right here, which is great for guests. Look at the detailing on the sink. Beautiful. They've got a little accent of wallpaper in there. I love the big tall doors, and this is the laundry room, and they were able to get some extra storage in here. Look at this. Not only do you have your own entrance to the whole deck and all of the views, but you've got views right from the bed. You can literally lay in the bed and see the bay. That will never go away. You've got nice tall ceilings in here. You've got his and her closets. That's one of the closets there. The bathroom, spa-like bathroom. Look at all the counter space in here and all the drawers and all the light. I mean, the light floods in from every window. Look at the size of the glass just in the shower alone. Which door? The shower door. Oh, the shower door. So we should go in because you know what? It overlooks the conservation area, so you can see the eagles landing while you're showering. I mean, this is unbelievable. Look at this. I mean, who doesn't want this? This is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I just love all the details that they picked out. I mean, if any of you have thought about building before, these folks are in the building business, so they have thought of everything, all the things that everybody wants that you don't have to think of. And it is quite the process when you decide to build. They put a nice pocket door here so you don't have a door in your way. You've got the his and her bathroom getting ready areas, which, like, think about how convenient that is. When you're all going somewhere, they've got towel warmers and they're warm. That feels really good. Feel that? And they've got the piped in music all over. It floods all the way out onto the deck, so if you're entertaining out there, you can hear it everywhere you are in the house. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. Look at these stairs. Again, the accent lighting is to die for. Look at the windows. The windows are everywhere. And if you've ever built a house before, all these windows are extra, so I always like to point them out because they do also have the accent lighting. So at night, you've got extra accent lighting as you're coming up the stairs. And you've got a nice, big, huge shared bath here with a big vanity, sink, lots of cabinet storage, glassed-in shower. Now, this is an extra bedroom that could be used as an office, which is what they're doing. They built a high-waisted kind of window nook here, which is great for reading, but it makes a beautiful office. You've got views. You've got the big, tall windows, so you're taking advantage of all the landscaping outside. Absolutely a beautiful space, whether it's a guest room or an office. They've got the guest room with the balcony. Let's go look in here. I got to show you this. So just look. You've got the big, tall doors, even on the closets. But look at this. I mean, your guests have their own balcony. So if this is your guest room, actually, they had it open for me. Look at this. I want you to see the views because you can see the fish swimming. You can see the dolphins playing. You can see the fish swimming from up here. You can see the tip of Cape San Blas out here. You see the boats going by. I mean, there's a lot to see when you're out here at the water that you don't think about. That's entertainment, actually, to just see all the different kinds of boats that go by. I mean, literally, you get your own beach here, and it goes all the way around towards the bridge in Port St. Joe, too. And you've got a community pool here. You've got a whole bayfront pool, entertainment area over there. So you get to take advantage of that pool. Plus, when you're part of this neighborhood, it's gated, if you haven't ever been here before, and you get access to all of Windmark. So you've got the 3-mile trail. You can access the beach anywhere along there you want to go. You can go down to the main center, get some ice cream, have pizza, have dinner. You can golf cart everywhere. You have access to the main pool that's part of the main part of Windmark. You can go out there where they grill hamburgers, or you can go all the way to the north end and enjoy the brand new pool they just put in. So you've got a lot of options for the family to kind of have fun and spread out. So we've seen 3 bedrooms so far. We've seen the shared hall bath. We've got an elevator access right here. And then their air conditioning closet is actually extra storage. You can store your brooms and vacuums and all that up there. Look at this. So this is being used for their daughter, obviously. This is almost a replica of the other bedroom that's being used as an office, but you've got more space in this room, and you have an ensuite bath. Take a look at this. The light fixtures are so cute in here. But they've got the beautiful brass hardware, the crystal knobs on here, and the glassed-in shower. Again, amazing views. You feel like you're in the treetop in the shower. And they have a bath in here. They've got beautiful penny tile on the floors. The whole house, if you didn't see it, is full of recessed lighting. So you've got recessed lighting everywhere. And this ensuite bedroom also comes complete with storage, but you've got Christmas storage in the back. So there's a little hidden treasure of storage all the way in the back. So you got a place to store your Christmas tree and all the things. Big tall ceilings up here. It's 9 and 10 foot ceilings. And I want to take you outside and show you this whole outdoor space, and let's take the boardwalk all the way out to the beach. So let's take a look. We just came off the main level deck stairs, and now we're on their, oh, see how you guys this is? It's just a busy day today. We got it going on, but let me tell them I'm with you so that we can make sure we keep going. You are on their own private beach access boardwalk. So they have constructed a complete boardwalk that takes you straight down to the beach. I'm going to take you there in just a minute. I want to show you downstairs first, so I'm going to save the best for last down at the very end. But if you look this way, you've got a whole path coming straight from the road. You also have an entrance underneath, but let's go this way because this is beautiful back here. After you leave the pea gravel, which is super popular right now, you get to the concrete where it's not just concrete. I mean, they've etched it, they have done the treatment on it to give it the texture and the design. They've got your speakers are all down here, so I have been listening to music all through this house, and let me tell you, it really makes it. It is all the thing. They've got an outdoor TV, so if you're watching football, you can hang out down here. They have a whole wet bar going on out here. We've got a big stainless steel sink. We've got storage. You've got grilling area. You've got all the things. So I love that they have all the compartments. So if you want to put an ice maker down here, you can. You're wired for a hot tub down here, so you really have plenty of room. You could do an oversized hot tub. You could do a swim spa. You've got room to do a few things down here if you want. But like I said, there's a pool in the neighborhood. So if you love having a pool and you don't want to take care of it, you're paying your HOA dues to do that, and you can use it and enjoy it when you want. But you know, when you're living in a house, everybody wants storage, and there's plenty of storage. They've done all the slat work in here. So let me show you where you can keep your golf cart right here. You've got double doors so you can scoot right out there. They've got their scooters hooked up in here. That's so cute. But you've got plenty of room. This is one of your garages right here. They've got a little extra fridge here, an ice chest. You've got, you know, you can do shelves everywhere if you wanted to, but they have plenty of power down here too. So you've got a lot of options for power. And when we get over to this side, you're going to see they have a shallow well here. They have irrigation all throughout the yard. So the shallow well, people like to use those so that they don't have to pay for sewer fees, and it just makes water in your yard affordable. We've got another garage right here. You've got a place to store your trash cans over here. That's a dedicated area here, and it's just all well kept. You know, you're all on poured concrete pilings. This is your entrance to the downstairs. So if you were to pull your car in and unload your groceries, you're going to go right here to the elevator. They have some air-conditioned, climate-controlled storage back here that's tucked up behind the stairs. And there's your entrance to the upstairs stairway, but I want to show you the water, so let's go look at what we're here for.
Now, will this view ever change?
No, this viewing envelope will not change from the edge of this guest cottage all the way over to about 15 feet that way. This viewing envelope will never change. There's a little bit of HOA land out in the front, so none of this can be built on. So those views from upstairs, as you're coming down the stairs, enjoying the deck, it's not going away. And the water out here on the St. Joe Bay gets blue and green like the Gulf. You can see the clarity of the color. If we've had a lot of rain, sometimes that can change, but right now it's absolutely gorgeous, and this is what you're going to see most of the time. You can get shells down here. All of this beach to the left can be walked all the way around towards the bridge there, but you've got a really nice special area here that some of the properties don't have, because you've got all of this beach and you can launch your kayaks and paddle boards out here, or you can just get out there in your floaty and float around. It's beautiful in the summertime. You get waves on the bay. Look at all the shells. Isn't it crazy? We've got a lot of shells down here, but look at the view from the back. So you can kind of see the viewing envelope when you stand here of how much, but this is really a first tier location. So for tax purposes, you're going to get a first tier location with all of this bayfront. So I don't think it gets any better than this. So share this with someone that you know. Tell them Kay sent you, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.